Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be comparing two USB cables for Blue Yeti recording microphones. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. Both cables are compatible with Blue Yeti and Blue Yeti Pro USB microphones. However, Product A has additional compatibility with Blue Yeti USB mic Blackout and Blue Snowball iCE USB mic. Both cables provide full-speed charging, but Product A charges faster than regular USB cables. Product B claims to charge 20% to 50% faster than regular USB cables. Both cables are made with high-gauge, low-impedance wire and high-quality PVC material, but Product A has undergone 1,000+ bending tests, while Product B has undergone 10,000+ bending tests. Therefore, Product B is more durable. Both cables have a length of 6.6 feet, providing ample length for charging. However, Product B claims to have a perfect long 6 feet length, which may make life more convenient when far away from an outlet. Product A provides a 30-day money-back guarantee and reliable and friendly customer service response within 24 hours. Product B does not mention any specific warranty or customer service. And that's our comparison of these two USB cables for Blue Yeti recording microphones. Both have their pros and cons, but ultimately it depends on what features are most important to you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to let us know in the comments which product you prefer, and we'll see you in the next video.